I am Yashpal Sharma, a corporate affair professional. I have spent about 25 years in corporate world. I am a very curious person, and during my journey as a life coach, I came across my friend Jhhilmil. She introduces almost new things, but this time when I got an invitation for this numerology, so I was fascinated to this. This is something new to me, but now the way she has explained things to me, and she has made it so simple that how it affects you and your career, your life, your health, and you have to deep dive into this. So she's launching her course. I wish her all the best for this course, and I'm sure she will earn laurels for this course. Thank you very much.